Welcome to task 6. This is where things start to get a bit interesting. Do you think you can do a better job at this machine than I did? Well, here's your chance to prove it, because that's what task 6 is all about. Can you figure out changes that you would make that you think would actually improve the efficiency of this machine? In other words, it will improve the energy transfer and the transformation to get the maximum amount of speed happening on your marble as it goes through the speed gate down here. Can you improve on my design? And that's what you have to look at here. So how do we do this? Well, first of all, you actually have to think and prove that you're thinking about it before you touch your machine. So first of all, you've got a picture of your machine in your, it'll ask you to put a new picture of your machine in there. You need to insert again a picture of your machine into the task 6 area there, and you're going to draw on that picture how you're going to change it. I want to see the changes drawn in here. So that's the very first thing. Take a photo, insert it into the drawing so that you can use the drawing tools to change it. So things like if you want to get rid of say a ramp, I not only want you to cross it out, but I want you to draw in how you're going to join it up instead. So for instance, if you've got your picture here but you want to get rid of a ramp, say, it could be that I wanted to get rid of, let me do this one here, say this ramp here and this ramp here, and I want to just direct the marble, either maybe move that ramp, I want to direct the marble straight down to there. Well, you need to add those little drawings in so we can see what your changes are going to be. Not only do you have to annotate that diagram, but you have to write the changes here in detail. So I want to have you describe what you're changing, and then I want, and this is the important bit, your theory as to how it's going to help improve the machine. You need to talk to me about how it's going to help make it more efficient. And there's two basic ways. Number one, if there's still a factor on that machine, which means it's not very reliable to test because it keeps changing or getting bumped or whatever, if it's something to improve the reliability of the testing so that it helps keep the machine the same all the time, you can write that down. So write the change and write how it's going to make it more reliable. Or you could have a change that's going to help the marble to speed up more before it gets to the end. In that case, you've got a change that's going to improve the efficiency. And you again have to tell me how it's going to improve the efficiency. And if you're a little unsure about the how bit, you have to go back to the energy chain. You're not going to make a change for change's sake. You're thinking about, why am I doing that? How is it going to help my end goal of improving efficiency?